Everyone wants success, but no one wants discipline. Because discipline is hard. It's waking up early. When you don't feel like it, it's working when you're tired. It's staying focused when everything is distracting you. Most people rely on motivation. They wait until they feel ready, but motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. Some days you feel powerful. Other days you feel nothing, and that's where most people fail. Because they stop, but discipline doesn't care how you feel. It shows up every day, even when it's boring, even when it's painful. And that's why it works. Success is not about doing something once. It's about doing it every day, again and again, and again until it becomes part of you. But here's the truth. Discipline is not something you're born with. It's something you build, step by step. Start small. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Do one task without distraction. Keep one promise to yourself. And repeat it every single day. Because every time you stay disciplined, you become stronger. And every time you quit, you become weaker. So the question is, who are you becoming? Because your future is built by what you do daily, not occasionally. So stop waiting for motivation and start building discipline. Because that's what separates winners from everyone else.